Okay, folks, so these are the finished menus, finished dishes, finished items from our vegan workshop today. And I'm gonna give you a closer view and you're gonna see all that we did. So breakfast was sweet potato pancakes with a sorrel sauce, tofu scramble to replace like scrambled eggs, or parfait. We have vanilla yogurt, granola, cherries. We have a smoothie which has avocado, papaya, orange juice, and oats. We have sausages with a marinara sauce. This is bean hot dog sausages made from scratch. Our cheese board here. We've got potato cheese made from scratch again. Carrot sticks, cucumber sticks, crackers, grapes. Our main course, we have seitan or wheat meat in barbecue sauce. We've got a casserole. The ingredients are potatoes, zucchini or courgette with sliced tomatoes, sliced aubergine or melangin or eggplant, and sliced onions, red onions. We've got a salad, kale salad, so that's lunch. And we've got our vegan chocolate brownies. All right, so this is our menu and our lovely balloons. Yeah.